The year is 2026. Deep beneath the Arctic Ocean, a shadow moves, a vessel of immense power, the HMS Vigilance. On the surface, a storm rages, but below, the submarine glides silently through the darkness. Its crew of over 100 sailors works in focused silence, weeks into a mission, cut off from the world above. The Vigilance is more than a boat. It's a self-contained fortress, able to withstand crushing pressure and remain hidden for months. Every breath, every drop of water is produced and recycled by the submarine's advanced systems. This machine is a ghost, moving unseen through the planet's last frontier. Its mission to remain hidden, a silent guardian and deterrent. The captain studies a map of the ocean floor, aware that other nations' hunters lurk in the deep. The submarine's greatest strength is its ability to stay submerged, powered by the atom, nuclear energy. This is the secret behind its endurance and stealth. Nuclear submarines are marvels of engineering, combining the power of a reactor, the isolation of a spaceship, and the might of a warship. They operate in an environment more hostile than space itself. Every part, from the reactor to the hull's special coating, is a masterpiece of technology. Understanding these machines reveals a world of mind-blowing innovation. Let's journey inside and explore the secrets of these incredible vessels. The story of the Vigilance is the story of all nuclear submarines. Welcome to the world of the Silent Hunter. At the heart of every nuclear submarine is a compact reactor, not a bomb, but a controlled power source. It works through nuclear fission. When a neutron hits a uranium atom, it splits, releasing heat and more neutrons. This chain reaction generates immense heat, which is absorbed by water surrounding the reactor. The superheated water, kept under high pressure, is pumped to a steam generator. There, it heats a separate tank of water, creating high-pressure steam. This steam drives turbines, spinning a shaft connected to the propeller, pushing the submarine through the water. The system is a closed loop. Steam condenses back to water and is reheated, making it efficient and self-sustaining. No air intake or exhaust is needed, unlike diesel engines. The nuclear fuel, enriched uranium, can last for decades. This is the secret to the submarine's incredible endurance. The reactor's design keeps the crew safe from radiation. The result, a vessel that can travel millions of miles without refueling. Nuclear power is what makes these submarines true masters of the deep. It's a technological leap that changed naval warfare forever. This is how the Silent Hunter moves unseen beneath the waves. Nuclear propulsion gives submarines near-limitless range and endurance. Unlike diesel subs, which must surface to recharge batteries, nuclear subs can stay submerged for months. Their only real limit is how much food they can carry for the crew. This allows them to cross oceans and patrol undetected, anywhere in the world. Nuclear power also means speed. These vessels can maintain over 25 knots underwater for as long as needed. Diesel subs can only sprint briefly before draining their batteries. Nuclear submarines are not tied to coastlines or ports. They are true underwater ships. Their persistence and unpredictability make them powerful assets for any navy. They can gather intelligence, deploy special forces, or act as a strategic deterrent. The freedom to stay deep, fast, and hidden is what makes nuclear submarines so influential. It's a revolution in naval strategy, all thanks to the atom. A submarine's hull is engineered to survive the immense pressure of the deep ocean. The pressure hull, a strong steel cylinder with rounded ends, distributes force evenly, preventing collapse. High-strength steel alloys and flawless welding ensure safety at depth. Most military subs have two hulls, a strong inner pressure hull and a lighter outer hull for streamlining and equipment storage. Every opening, hatch, torpedo tube, periscope, is a potential weak point, sealed with advanced materials. The integrity of this steel shield is what keeps the crew alive in the unforgiving deep. Silence is a nuclear submarine's greatest weapon. Every part of the vessel is engineered for quiet. Machinery is mounted on shock-absorbing rafts, pipes are insulated, and the crew moves carefully. The hull is covered in anechoic tiles that absorb both internal sounds and enemy sonar pings. Even the propeller is designed to avoid noisy cavitation bubbles using complex, computer-modeled shapes. Passive sonar listens for threats, while the submarine itself strives to be undetectable. The result? A vessel that moves like a ghost, nearly invisible to enemy sensors. Stealth is not just technology, it's a way of life for the crew. Every action, every design choice, serves the pursuit of silence. This is what makes the Silent Hunter so formidable. Navigating the deep ocean is a challenge. No sunlight, no GPS. Submarines rely on inertial navigation systems, using gyroscopes and accelerometers to track every movement from a known starting point. Over time, small errors build up, so subs occasionally use sonar to map the ocean floor or rise to shallow depths for a GPS fix. Sonar is the submarine's eyes and ears. Passive sonar listens. Active sonar maps surroundings but risks revealing the sub's position. Communication is tough. Radio waves barely penetrate water. Subs must surface or use long trailing antennas for messages, and VLF radio allows only slow, simple texts at depth. Most of the time, submarines operate under strict radio silence, following preset orders. In the deep, navigation and communication are as much an art as a science. Life aboard a nuclear submarine is unlike anything else. Over 100 people live together in a steel tube, with no sunlight and recycled air. The day is divided into strict watches, some on duty, some training, some resting. Quarters are cramped, privacy is rare, and teamwork is essential. Food and water are carefully managed. Submarines make their own fresh water and store enough food for months. Meals are a highlight, boosting morale in the confined space. The atmosphere is constantly monitored. Oxygen is generated by splitting water, and carbon dioxide is scrubbed from the air. Advanced systems keep the air safe and breathable. The crew's survival depends on technology and each other. Bonds of trust and friendship form in this isolated world. It's a unique, challenging life beneath the waves. A submariner's day begins with the call to watch. No sunrise, just routine. Crews rotate through watches, ensuring the submarine runs smoothly around the clock. Training and emergency drills are constant, keeping everyone sharp. Maintenance is ongoing. Every sailor is responsible for their equipment. Recreation is limited but vital. Movies, books, and small gyms help maintain morale. Communication with family is rare, making the crew's camaraderie essential. The cycle of watches, work, and rest repeats for weeks on end. Discipline and structure are what keep this complex machine and its crew functioning in the deep. Nuclear submarines have shaped global security for decades, serving as the ultimate deterrent. Their stealth and endurance make them invaluable for intelligence, power projection, and strategic defense. The future will bring even quieter subs, new hull materials, and pump jet propulsion for greater stealth. Automation may reduce crew sizes and extend missions. Unmanned underwater vehicles will expand a submarine's reach, scouting and mapping the ocean floor. Artificial intelligence will help analyze sonar data and make faster decisions. The engineering behind these vessels pushes the limits of science and technology. As technology advances, submarines will become even more capable and mysterious. They will remain silent guardians, moving unseen through the world's oceans. The story of the Silent Hunter is far from over.